In this paper, we present an efficient and robust deep learning solution for novel view synthesis of complex scenes. Given a set of images captured in front of a scene using a handheld camera, Neural 4D Light Field (NeuLF) uses an implicit neural representation to learn the mapping from rays to color values. With the learned model, novel views can be synthesized by predicting the color of each ray. Moreover, with our framework, per ray depth can be optionally predicted by the network. Auto-refocus effect can be inherently generated by predicting depth for each ray. We propose an efficient novel view synthesis framework, which we call Neural 4D Lightfield, NeuLF. We define a scene as an implicit function that maps 4D light field rays to corresponding color values. This function can be implemented as a multi-layer perceptron, MLP, and can be learned using only a sparse set of calibrated images placed in front of the scene. Different from previous light field approaches which require dense view sampling to reliably render novel views, our method can render novel views by sampling rays and querying the color for each ray from the network directly, thus enabling high-quality light field rendering with a sparser set of training images. Our method achieves state-of-the-art novel view synthesis results while maintaining an interactive framerate. We illustrate the pipeline of our system. We formulate the mapping function f as a multi-layer perceptron, MLP. The input of this MLP is a 4D coordinate and the output is RGB color. We also optionally estimate per ray depth by enforcing multi-view and depth consistency. Using depth, applications such as auto-refocus can be enabled. Here, we demonstrate the qualitative results of our method in Shinny dataset. This is a challenging dataset that contains complex scene geometry and various challenging view-dependent effects. For example, refraction through the test tubes, rainbow effect emits by a CD disc and sharp specular highlights from silverware and thick glasses. In the CD scene, our result shows more sharp and vivid detail on the rainbow, plastic cup reflections, and less noise on the liquid bottle than NEX. In the lab scene, our method successfully captures the refraction through the test tubes while NEX fail in this situation. To understand how the number of input views affect the novel view synthesis result, we train our model on fewer images. We use 75%, 50%, and 25% of the original data for the experiment. Although the input images are dramatically decreased, our method still generates high-quality results. Note that even with less input images for CD and lab scenes, our results are still comparable with or even better than NEX with full number of inputs in the above challenging scenes. We show an example of the depth estimation and refocusing effect on our own captured scene. Note the detailed depth of the house and statue are successfully recovered. With free viewpoint scene depth, we can automatically select a focal plane given an image pixel location. We show two refocused novel views rendered from our own captured scene.